Hello friends, welcome to C for CAD. In this video, we are going to create a sheet metal part in NX Unigraphics, which is displayed over here. So let's get started. First we will use contour flange feature. So click on contour flange, click on sketch section and select this YZ plane. Click on OK. Draw one sketch like this and close this. Now go to geometric constraint. First we select equal length and select these two lines and select coincident. Select the midpoint and the origin. Now close this. Go to rapid dimension. Select this line and give the dimensions 300 and give this dimension to this line 150. Now select this line and the middle line. Enter the angle 150. Next select this line and this upper line. Enter the angle 160. And now select this middle line and this x-axis. Enter the angle 15. So our sketch is fully constrained. Now close this and finish the sketch. In width option, select symmetric. Enter the width 150 and click on OK. Next we will use flange. Select this edge. In width option, select from end. In specify point, select this point. Enter the width 30. Distance 1, enter 10. In length, enter 60. In angle, enter 85. In length reference, select inside. And in offset, enter 3. Reverse this direction. And in inside, select bend outside. Now click on OK. Next we will use break corner. Select this face. Select here blend. Enter the radius 15. Click on OK. Next we will use normal cutout. Select this face and select the circle command. Draw one circle of 10 mm. Now close this and finish the sketch. In cut method, select thickness and in limits, select until next. Click on OK. Now we will go to mirror feature. Here we select these three features. And in mirror plane, select this YZ plane. Click on OK. So it will create a mirror on the other side. Next we use bend taper feature. Select this face as a stationary face and select this bend. In taper angle, enter 5. In web taper angle, also enter 5. Click on apply. Again we select this face. At this time we select this bend face and click on OK. Again we use break corner feature. Select these two faces and click on OK. So our object is completed. Next we will change the color. Click on OK and we hide the datums and change the rendering style to shaded. So our sheet metal part is completed. In the next video, we will see another tutorial on sheet metal designing. Till then, check out the other videos and subscribe this channel C for CAD. Thank you.